Well, here we are going down 2nd Avenue, Manhattan. We're about to get ready to encounter our first snow blizzard. It says about 10 to 15 inches. It's now a little bit after 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Going downtown 2nd Avenue. We're at 150th Street. I'm heading to 3rd Avenue, and from there going to be going down Manhattan's a couple of places. But it's kind of cold, and as you can see, it's already cloudy. They've already salted some of the streets, but it's quiet around here. Everybody is heading home early. We will be out here till about 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night, depending on how our load is. But here it is. We are in Upper Manhattan at 110th Street, heading down to 50th, and to see what's going on over there. So, as we go along, we'll let you see what's going on.